Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I have the fantastic handheld car vacuum that I'm about to demonstrate, so stick around. We're also going to show you it up close in the up close portion of the video, but this thing is absolutely fantastic. I made the mistake of taking my new Mustang to the beach, and boy is she dirty. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So some of the fantastic aspects of this vacuum cleaner are the light seen here, the power indicator right here, and you know what? This thing also does a great job because it can suck and blow. It has this tip right here where you can clean out things like vents and just little crevices around your radio. So a fantastic product. I absolutely love mine. So one of the cool things about this, it has a strong and powerful lithium-ion battery, which means that it is built to last. Those lithium-ion batteries take a charge for a long period of time. They're ultra powerful, and they don't have the battery memory of some of those nickel-cadmium batteries. Also, it comes with a variety of tools. You'll see in the up-close portion of the video, we have the brush tool, and it transforms into a crevice tool as well that just plugs in the front of the product. So we're talking about a company that's been in business for years, that's making high quality tools, a lightweight, easy to use vacuum that's going to be perfect. You can even store it in your car, and because it's USB recharge, you can recharge it in the car and use it anytime. This thing is great to leave in the glove box and always have available to clean up those little spills. You don't want to leave M&Ms and chocolate to get ground into the floor. You don't want to leave sand and things to really do damage to the carpet. This is going to make a world of difference. All right, folks, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. A fantastic product that you're absolutely going to love. If your FAQ is, should I pick this up? The answer is yes. All right, folks, my name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Stick around because we have the up-close portion of the video coming up. All right, folks, now we get to check out the up-close portion of the video. Baseus, it's the A3 car vacuum cleaner. This thing is ultra powerful, ultra lightweight, USB-C charge. People love this portion of the video because they get a feel for what they're actually getting on Amazon with their Amazon Prime and everything that they picked up. So, what's so special about this vacuum cleaner? First off, it is cordless, and look at that. This thing has a big filter in it to where it's going to do a great job of keeping the air nice and clean. I assume this is the air intake. That's nicely placed where you're not covering it up with your hand. And yeah, it looks like it has a power indicator here and a light to show you all about it. Yep, there's the air out, and air intake. So what can I tell you about this? Various settings for speed. You can go ahead and it looks like plug this in for the brush, and that's the brush, and then you have the crevice tool, which you can get deep inside. You also have a connector here, so you can, look at this, You can reverse it and use this to blow out your keyboard or clean and detail your car. That's really nice. Those cans of air are not good on the pocketbook. The fact that this can do it itself is a big deal. Also, you're not going to be replacing batteries all the time because it's USB chargeable with a lithium-ion battery. All right, so it is 5 volt, 2.1 amp, 135 watts, so it's wildly popular, powerful, and fantastic. 28.8 watt hours. And yeah, this charging time is 3 to 5 hours. It's quiet, only 75 decibels or less. You can still hear me talk, can't you? Fast charging QC 3.0, Type-C interface. And I like this color. It just looks good. So if you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner, folks, this thing's going to be absolutely stupendous. Let me go ahead and check it out in the car. You will not be disappointed. Again, this is the A3. There's a variety. We just checked out the A7. That's also a fantastic vacuum. This one's a little more handheld and lightweight. Pick out the one that's best for you. But yeah, I'm very happy with Baseus, Baseus, and their high quality vacuum cleaning devices. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I really love, and this thing is fantastic. Lightweight, and I shouldn't understate the high quality of this build and design. This thing's like a nightstick. You're gonna love it. Easy to hold, easy to control, and a great amount of suction powers. Pick yours up, folks. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.